If you want stronger online protection, enabling enhanced safe browsing in Google Chrome is one of the best things you can do. You have to understand that there is no separate enhanced safe browsing switch inside your YouTube account itself. That setting belongs to your Google Chrome and your broader Google account security. But once enabled, it protects your activity across all Google services, including YouTube. Here's how to turn it on step by step. First, open the Chrome browser on your phone or computer. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. On a desktop, this will open in a new tab. Next, select Privacy and Security. This is where all your browsing protection settings are located. Inside this section, tap on Security. Here, you'll see three options: No Protection, Standard Protection, and Enhanced Protection. To get the highest level of security, select Enhanced Protection. Once enabled, Chrome will actively protect you from malware, phishing attacks, and dangerous websites in real time. It can also check downloads before they open, warn you about compromised passwords, and block harmful extensions. This mode offers faster and more advanced threat detection compared to standard protection. So yeah, enabling enhanced safe browsing helps keep your data safer while browsing the internet. And that's how you turn on enhanced protection in Google Chrome easily.